today's video is with Sage and Penny. Sage is definitely the goofball. Penny is the fierce hunter. They both have their own uniqueness around in just being a goofball. She is kind of hilarious. And they're both learning how playing with people work. And are starting to enjoy the playtime some. So, hopefully soon we'll be able to get them out of the playpen and into the room. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks, and have a perfect day.